Okay, so now we have to get into the shading. So we're gonna do again, just put down our nice base layer. Remember, using the side of your pencil, not the tip, because if you put down a tip, you'll only covering a little area at a time. So we're putting down a nice base coat over everything. Don't be afraid to put it over the nose, your lips, because we need to be able to pull out our highlights and add in our lowlights, so we don't want to get this too dark. So now that we've got this all in, what we're going to have to do is we're going to first take out our highlights, which are again going to be at the top of our forehead, eyebrow, just underneath it, on both sides, because you'll still be able to see a little bit, bridge of our nose. Make sure to leave this trapezoid right in this area dark. Bridge of nose and around to the top cartilage. Now on the wing flap here, we're also going to have a highlight because that sticks out. Bottom lip. And our chin again. And remember, these are because if you look at your face, these are the areas that are sticking out. So it goes out, then it recedes back in along the trapezoid, then it comes back out for the bridge of our nose. Our wing flaps also stick out. Your bottom lip sticks out, and then your chin also sticks out. We also have to remember to get right in our cheekbone. And this is nice and soft because your cheekbone does wrap around, so is this. I'm gonna see a little on this side too. Okay, and then a little bit on the top of our eyelid, okay? So we've got forehead, underneath your eyebrows, top of the eyelids, bridge of the nose, ball of the nose, and your wings. In here on your cheekbones, bottom lip, and chin. Those are all of our light spots. Coming in for the dark spots, we're gonna have side of our head is gonna be dark again. I'm again using that side of my pencil. It gives me a nice even layer put down. I'm gonna bring this down and around, and it's gonna wrap underneath this cheekbone I have here. Comes into the temple. You need to be able to see the difference between your dark, your medium, and your light. If you can't see it, your shading is not dark enough. Underneath your lip, you also have a little bit of a shadow. Make sure the darkest part of your face is right in around this eye. So we need to get down the side of our nose again, just like our other one. We also need to come in and up and around our eye, making this just a little bit darker, because that really is going to make it look like it recedes. That also means if we have to get this eye, we're also going to have to get this eye. Even though you only see side part of it, there's still going to be a shadow. Make sure that you have the shading in your nostrils, and then right underneath your nose there's going to be a little bit of a shadow. Remember, for there. For our lips, remember our top lip is just a touch darker than our bottom lip. You really need to pull out that highlight in your bottom lip. Coming from the corner of your mouth in, it gets darker, nice and dark in the corner, and then gets lighter as I'm going out. We also need to make sure that we have those nice accented lines, so it goes dark to light to dark when I dip, back up to light, over to dark, light, dark as I go back down, and light. And you make sure we have those. Once you have all of the shading in your face, you're going to take, again, your finger, and you're going to start smudging it in. Now you want to make sure that you don't smudge it so much that you cover up your light areas, but if you were to accidentally go over and make a light area disappear, just go back in with your eraser. Pull it back out, make those light areas nice and light, okay? For our neck, our head hangs over our neck, so we're gonna again have our drop shadow that I'm gonna make dark. And blend that in as well. So you make sure that we have all of these lights in here and that they're blended well.